Speak up, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ankit. I'm 35 years old. I originally belong to Delhi, which is the capital city of India. I hold a bachelor's degree in information technology, and I have overall 14 years of experience in the IT industry, focusing on cloud solutions and implementations. Thank you for your time.
Vikas, over to you.
Okay. My name is Vikas Sukla. I'm 26 years old. I came from India. Currently, I'm doing a job in food. थोड़ा सा
It's okay.
yeah, okay. Okay, मैं फिर से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. Uh, my name is Vikas Sukla. I'm 26-year-old. I came from India. Currently, I'm doing job in Eurofins India. I want to give exam. Sorry, मैम. थोड़ा सा मुझे लर्न करना पड़ेगा.
Oh, you can just reference speaker, right? Gitansh. It's okay.
Hello, my name is Gitansh Tyagi. I'm 28 years old and I am a resident of India. I am graduated from LP University with a bachelor's degree in architecture in 2020. I am currently working with the Sketch Studio and I am attempting the PTE so that I may pursue a postgraduate degree in Ukraine University.
Okay, good. Harpreet, quick.
My name is Harpreet Kaur. I am 24 years old. I am from Patti, Punjab. Recently, I have completed my bachelor degree in arts. Now I go to abroad for my higher studies. So I choose this course because it is the easiest one for me.
Okay. Well done. Vandana, done, right? Gitansh, done. Ankit, done. Vikas, done. Harpreet, done. Ash, done. Okay, all right.